Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You just need to put some plain table salt from your salt and pepper grinder set into a bowl, then position it into the pot where the rice is. Then you just leave it there to do its job, which is absorbing all the unwanted moisture from it.
Take our lead.
Many people suggest that 3 is the magic number, but just rinsing until the water is no longer cloudy with excess starch is fine. You'll get more distinct grains when it's cooked, and your finished rice will be less clumpy.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
After draining the rice, pour a light stream of cool water over the sieve or colander. Gently unstick the grains of rice with your fingers. Bake the rice in the oven for 5 minutes to remove the excess water. If the rice is still watery or soggy, you can cook off the extra water in the oven.
Take our lead.
Cooking the rice with too much water breaks down the rice's structure, leaving you with rice that has a mushy texture. As a result, the rice on the bottom of the pot is usually mushy. Getting the perfect rice to water ratio is an art. Follow the recipes below to get perfectly cooked jasmine rice every time.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Drying the freshly cooked rice by spreading it on a tray and putting it under a fan for 1 hour does the trick. Kenji's recommends this method, even more than day-old rice. If you don't have an hour to wait, you can spread still hot rice on a tray and let the surface moisture evaporate.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Rinse. Give your rice a quick rinse to remove extra starches. This will help keep it from becoming sticky. Ratio. Use a ratio of 1 cup white rice to 2 cups water. Do not stir. When you first add the rice, give it 1 or 2 quick stirs and then avoid stirring it. Stirring rice can release starches and make it sticky.
Take our lead.
Lower the heat as low as possible. Cook 15 to 20 minutes, then turn the rice. Slightly over-season before adding the rice as the rice will soak up a lot of the seasoning. Jambalaya should never be stirred. Turn rather than stir after the rice has been added. This prevents the grains of rice from breaking up.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.